Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a meeting in Webex so you can connect with your team, host professional webinars, or jump into a quick collaboration session in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Webex app and sign in. The first step is accessing your communication hub where all your scheduled and instant meetings are managed. Launch the Cisco Webex desktop app or go to webex.com in your browser. Click the Sign In button in the top right and enter your credentials. Once the dashboard loads, make sure you are on the Meetings tab, which is usually located in the left-hand navigation sidebar. In 2026, Webex has integrated Smart Sign-In, which can sync with your enterprise SSO. Starting from the Meetings tab gives you a bird's-eye view of your entire calendar, ensuring you don't accidentally double-book a time slot while you're trying to set up a new session. Next, choose between Start or Schedule. Before you enter details, you need to decide if this meeting is happening right now or if it's a planned event for the future. Look for the two primary buttons on your home screen, Start a Meeting and Schedule a Meeting. For a future event, click the Schedule button. This will open the full invitation editor where you can customize every aspect of the call. In 2026, Start a Meeting uses your personal room URL, which is a permanent link. However, for formal business calls, clicking Schedule is the professional standard. It generates a unique one-time meeting ID and password, providing a much higher level of security and preventing uninvited guests from Zoom bombing your session. Lastly, fill out meeting details and set the time. This is where you define the who, what, and when of your collaborative session to keep everyone on the same page. Enter a clear meeting topic like Q2 Marketing Strategy Sync and set the date and time. Use the recurrence checkbox if this is a standing meeting like a weekly check-in, and verify that the time zone is correct for all your international participants. In 2026, Webex's AI Calendar Assistant uses the meeting topic to suggest relevant documents from your previous chats. Setting the correct time zone is particularly critical for remote teams. Webex will automatically adjust the invitation for each recipient so no one shows up an hour late to the call. And that's pretty much it. To create a meeting in Webex for 2026, sign in to your account, click the Schedule button and fill out your topic and time. Add your invitees' emails, set your security preferences like a waiting room, and finally hit Schedule to sync the event with everyone's calendars. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.